science of pharmacogenetics plays a role in the many functions of serotonin in the body. Depression is a major problem in people of all ages, and it is very complex. While we know that pharmacogenetics provides detailed information about a person's metabolism of medications, and that's very important, but there are other genetic factors at work in this area as well. Let's go back to school for a short lesson. We're going to learn about synapses, receptors, and serotonin. Chemical reactions facilitate almost all communication in the brain. The synapse is the space between presynaptic cells and postsynaptic cells. Neurotransmitters communicate between these cells across the synapse. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter and is responsible for the feelings of well-being. It's the feel-good transmitter. When something good happens, serotonin kicks in and wow! I feel good! Released from the presynaptic cell, serotonin drops into receptors on the postsynaptic cell and good feelings commence. Imagine the receptors like cups that fill with water in healthy individuals. Full receptors equal good feelings. Then shortly, reuptake transporters begin removing the serotonin and the feelings fade. Two genes are responsible for this activity: catechol-O-methyltransferase, or COMT, and SLC6A4. COMT is essentially a metabolizer, and SLC6A4 regulates the transport or reuptake of serotonin. Like a train, it hauls the transmitter away. A lack of serotonin is often the reason for depression, so a doctor may prescribe an SSRI, or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, which slows down or stops the reuptake or transport of serotonin from the receptors. This can help to manage depression. But this doesn't always work. Medications fail to help as depression lingers and sometimes deepens. So why does this happen? Sometimes the answers can be found in the genes. Mutations in COMT and SLC6A4 genes can degrade metabolism and the transport of serotonin. So what does that mean? It means that when serotonin isn't being degraded by COMT or eliminated by SLC6A4, the removal functions are broken. This is a problem because there's too much serotonin for too long, and the prolonged exposure to the neurotransmitter causes the body to build up tolerance, reducing its effectiveness. So, effectively, the SSRI can sometimes make things worse, and there are harmful things like serotonin syndrome that can occur from this condition. The PROGENEX pharmacogenetic test not only evaluates the cytochrome P450 system, but other important genes as well. For more information, contact us below.